All right, guys, she's in. So, all right, so just to recap, you want to lift it so that the downpipe can clear the subframe and, you know, go kind of like over it and slowly lower it on the engine side mount first. This one right here. Hang on, let me show you. So you lower on this side first. That's the engine side mount. You get the 13 millimeter bolts on, and the torque setting for that is at 18 foot-pounds for each of them. So as soon as you're done with that, you move over to the other side. All right, so once that's done, you go over to the trans side, and the 17 millimeter bolt, you torque down to 43 foot-pounds of torque. After that, you get to the front. Make sure you have the mount already attached to the cross member, and you want to line up, obviously, the mount with this bracket. Don't thread this in yet. And you're going to want to do the 2 bolts that hold the cross member to the frame. All right, so under the car, this is what I meant. Torque these to 51, only because when you put the front bumper on, it's going to hold the subframe on anyways, and your front bumper bolts are like 59. So 51 here should be fine. 43 foot-pounds for this top one. All right, so again, from the front, these 2 bolts down here, 22 foot-pounds and 51 foot-pounds. And I can't stop staring. That looks so good. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell for some notifications. We're really trying to hit 1,000 subs as soon as we can, and it's gonna help the channel take off. Thanks for your support. As always, here goes.